Ugh! No matter how much we space practice, we just can't get any space better. We need someone to play the laser triangle.
Hello, my name is Hot Robo Girl. Have you seen a space ticket anywhere? I seem to have misplaced mine for the Dan Norris and Dwarf stars. He is my favorite space clarinetist.
Oh my Dwarf, you are Dan Norris and the Dwarf Stars, the band? I am your biggest Robo fan.
Hey, Hot Robo Girl, I've got a futuristic idea. Why don't you join our asteroid band? You could play the laser triangle.
Do you really think that's a good idea?
Yes, of course it's a good idea. She will be a great addition to our asteroid band.
Far out! This means I get to go to the asteroid concert after all! I would just like to say thank you. This has been a great experience, and for letting me come to the asteroid concerts.
Let's do this!
Woo!
Hey, thanks all for coming to our show. We hope you enjoy the asteroid band.